Welcome to the installation video for the Tekelek intrinsically safe TEK pressure logger. The kit supplied with this pressure logger includes 2-inch and 1-inch NPT threaded adapters for installation into tank openings. As shown, use the 2-inch adapter for 2-inch openings. Measure the depth of the tank. The pressure sensor is mounted at least 2 inches, or 50 mm above the bottom of the tank to avoid degradation by contaminants. Insert the pressure sensor carefully into the tank, and use the cord grip to fix the correct position so that the sensor is not resting on the bottom of the tank. Ensure that the connections are watertight. Mount the logger portion in a suitable location. Please refer to the logger installation videos for more details.